Are you looking for stunning architectural designs that blend creativity with functionality? I specialize in delivering detailed floor plans, 3D visuals, working drawings, and top-notch presentation drawings tailored to your vision. Using industry-standard tools like AutoCAD, Archicad, and SketchUp, I bring your concepts to life, whether you're building from scratch or remodeling a space. Follow me on Telegram @KingVictora for design inspirations, project updates, and architectural tips. Have a project in mind or ready to get started? Call or WhatsApp me at +23 480 885. Let's talk about how we can create something amazing together. Your dream building starts here. I've always believed that architecture is more than just bricks and mortar. It's about creating spaces that inspire and connect people. In my recent project, I focused on blending modern design with sustainable practices. The building features green roofs and solar panels, reducing energy consumption while enhancing the aesthetic appeal. I carefully selected materials that not only look good, but also have a low environmental impact. One of my favorite elements is the open floor plan, which encourages natural light to flood the space, making it feel larger and more inviting. I also incorporated biophilic design, bringing nature indoors with living walls and large windows that frame the surrounding landscape. Each decision was made with intention, aiming to foster a sense of community and well-being. This project isn't just a building, it's a testament to how thoughtful design can transform lives.